Eric Muathe with Muathe.com, December 15th, 2016. We are seeing some of the shipping stocks move higher today. For example, ESEA is up about 64%. Now keep in mind, all these stocks had a huge run a couple of weeks ago and they gave back most of the gains. The high for this one was $8, and since this high in a couple of weeks it's gone back to trading under $1.50. Now there's a problem with this group, and I want to share that with you guys, because you can see that yes, they are up this morning. TOPS is up about 24%, and keep in mind it's recently been losing lots of its gains. It lost the gains here, and today trying to spike. Take a look at DRYS, and this is pretty much unbelievable. Here it was trading at about $100. Since then it's going to trade back to the $4 area. I mean, this is a period of about 2-3 weeks, from 100 to $4. I mean, that's amazing. Yes, there was movement here from the $4 area, $3 area back to the $100 area, so that was a huge spike, but gave back all the gains. So this sector, in my opinion, is a dangerous one to try and play for momentum move. Here you can see the highs a couple of weeks ago was 26. The instrument has come back all the way to $2. It's a very risky sector, and I'll show you why I think even right now they might struggle to hold on to the gains. Here you can see high of 23. Initially moved from about under $2, $1.50 to 23. That's a huge move, but subsequently gave back all the gains. And the risk is that these stocks could do this yet again. Take a look at this one here, high of 14, coming back here to $3 in a couple of weeks. Yes, of course, it had moved from $1 to the highs of $14. So all this round trip business is just a sign of a sector that does not have momentum. And what I mean by that is, if you take a look at barchart.com and take a look at the top performing sectors over the last, let's call it, couple of months, so these are the best performing sectors. If you go all the way down here, just go down and actually take a look at the worst performing stocks in the market, the bottom 100 stocks in the entire market. So bottom 100 stocks in the US market. Let's click on that list and you'll see that this is a problem for that sector, because the list is full of shipping stocks. So the worst performing stocks trying to move just means that they are not going to hold on to their gains. Here we can see one of the shipping stocks here is among the 100, and if you take a look at this list, you'll see most of them are going to show up. In fact, if not all of the shipping stocks that are moving are on this list. Let me show you some of them here. Let's go down the list again. Here we are going down trying to find the worst performing, and here's one. And we're talking about out of thousands of stocks, these are the worst performing stocks. So for you to expect them to move higher would be asking for too much. DRYS is the worst performing stock in terms of this list in the entire market. So to expect the worst performing stock to suddenly turn into a superstar is pretty much asking for too much. And we can see one that moved recently also here, the SHIP on the list, EGLE also, and we can see the other one, DCIX. All these stocks are among the worst performing stocks in the market. Chances of them giving back their gains again is pretty much very likely. The best stocks in the market tend to hold on to their gains. The worst stocks tend to give back their gains. So I would not expect a sustained move, given that these stocks are moving, because they are the worst performing stocks in the market. For a reason, I would expect them to stall at some point. A risky trade for sure. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. Whoa!